Sushma Swaraj tearing into the Congress, saying that it's running away from naming his prime ministerial candidate because it knows it's going to lose the upcoming Lok Sabha polls, and other senior BJP leaders also taking digs at the Congress. Political editor Navika Kumar now joins us. Navika, we've already heard some, very staunch retorts coming, staunch rebuttals coming from the BJP leaders to what Rahul Gandhi had said just 2 days ago. And, they're also talking specifically, they've taken up that whole issue of the BJP being good at marketing, and that's something they've talked about, keeping in mind the recent victories in the assembly polls.
That's right, the BJP is on a high after the state assembly victory, but there's another reason for the BJP's confidence at this stage, and that is the Congress not really announcing Rahul Gandhi as the prime ministerial candidate. That is something that the BJP has taken on pot shots on. Sushma Swaraj spoke on that extensively yesterday, passing the economic resolution. Arun Jaitley spoke about it, and today we will have to wait and watch. In a little while from now, it's going to be Narendra Modi's turn to talk, and what Narendra Modi will say on Rahul Gandhi, how he gives the vision of his government model which he will head if the BJP were to come to power. All of that is expected in Narendra Modi's speech. So the BJP expectedly on a high, but what it will do about the Aam Aadmi Party and the challenge the Aam Aadmi Party is causing the BJP in various urban centers. That's a big issue that is troubling the BJP, because surveys after surveys internally done by the BJP show that in urban centers the Aam Aadmi Party is going to be a force to reckon with.
All right, stay on with us, Navika. Now, you mentioned there Sushma Swaraj just speaking specifically about the fact that the Congress has not appointed Rahul Gandhi as the official prime ministerial nominee. Let's listen in to what she said.
विदाई की घोषणा करते समय ये कहते हैं कि अगली बार के लिए मैं तो उपलब्ध नहीं हूंगा, लेकिन ये जिम्मेदारी राहुल गांधी संभालेंगे तो अच्छा होगा। ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही नाटक है जैसा अंतरात्मा की आवाज के समय हुआ था। ये वो पार्टी है जिसे अंतरात्मा की आवाज भी देर से सुनाई पड़ती है और जिसे परंपरा का बोध भी देर से होता है। सच्चाई ये है कि कांग्रेस डर गई है और हार के भय से उन्होंने अपना नेतृत्व घोषित करने से इनकार कर दिया है। इसलिए राजनीतिक दृश्य दूसरा क्या होगा, हमारा साकार नेतृत्व और उनका निराकार नेतृत्व, इनके बीच में युद्ध होगा। डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह से कि सार्वजनिक रूप से असत्य भाषण करते हुए आपको जरा भी संकोच नहीं हुआ? यह आपका अपना संसद के पटल पर रखा हुआ आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण, लेकिन 8.4% की दर को आप 4.8% पर लाकर खड़ा कर देते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आपके मंत्री दोनों हाथों से लूटने का काम करेंगे, अगर आपकी सरकार भ्रष्टाचार आकंठ में डूबी होगी, तो गिलास भरा नहीं रह सकता। मनमोहन सिंह जी, सच्चाई ये है कि हमने तो आपको भरा हुआ गिलास दिया था, लेकिन आपने गिलास खाली करने का काम किया है और इस देश को लूटने का काम किया है।